To me, it means collaboration without ownership and ideally without ego. It's people coming together to come up with the better version of the thing that we're all needing right now.
Open source means to me that if I create something, I let it out for people to use and build on, to use like a basis to build on.
Open source is software that is written by people doing volunteer work, and it is generally tested by volunteers. It's generally source that is available for people to review and make changes to themselves.
Firefox and Mozilla has always been my most favorite open source product of all time.
I know there are like Google APIs and all that are open source.
Many products are open source, but one product that I have personally worked with is called Domain Objects, and it's used to encapsulate classes so that you are able to write non-database-like code to access a database.
My only real concern is the loss of it. I think that open source is not just important for various technologies to be able to expand to their best implementation, but it's also a way that people work together that I think is incredibly important to maintain. It can be really easy to lose, especially in startup culture where the money is so important.
The biggest concern would be maybe security, because I mean, after all, if you are letting the guts of the core of your entire thing out, it is also out to people who might be thinking of hacking, and more accessibility means lesser security.
I think that one of the things is that if the original developers lose interest in the product or something like that, you can actually end up not having the product move forward. It sometimes is really important to be able to vet the changes that people make, and that's not always completely not dialed in. And then, of course, you have the fact that developers may or may not make any money and be able to support themselves doing the ideas that they do. So.